friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to help you to learn few stretching asanas. These asanas are very helpful to stretching and strengthening effect at the back, shoulder and leg muscles. It also improves the posture of your body. There is a very good coordination between the body and mind along with this practice. Then these asanas are helpful to maintain your figure and form of your waistline area and tummy area. So today I am going to help you to learn 5 asanas. Those are Tadasana, Tirshaka Tadasana, Kati Chakrasana, Dvikonasana, Trikonasana. So let's start our practice along with the Tadasana. For that, stand with your feet together. Hands at the side of the body. Stretch your arms gently at the shoulder level. Interlock your finger over the head. Palms facing towards the roof. Raise your arms. Stretch your arms gently. Then inhale and stretch your whole body and stand with your toes. This is the final position. Stretch the whole body from top to bottom without losing the balance, without any oscillation. Hold this position. Then slowly, gently exhale and come to the waist position. One more round. Slowly, deeply inhale and stretch your whole body. Stand with your toes. This is also a good asana for children who practice it at early age. There is a chances of increasing their height. Hold this position as much as your capacity for few seconds. Then exhale and relax. Next asana we are going to practice is Tirshaka Tadasana. For that you have to maintain at least 30 centimeter gap between the 2 foot or else 1 meter apart. Stretch your arms at shoulder level. Interlock your finger. Palms facing towards the roof. This is the base position. Here you inhale. Then gently exhale and twist your body to the left. This is the final position. Hold this position. Remember, you will not move your body forward or backward, only on left. Then inhale, come to upright position. Exhale, move your body to the right. Hold this position for few seconds as per your capacity. Inhale, come to the upright position. We'll practice one more round. Here you inhale, exhale, twist to the left. Hold the position, inhale up, exhale right, hold the position, inhale up. Then the next practice is Kati Chakrasana, same leg position. Stretch your arms at the shoulder level. Here you inhale, with exhalation gently twist your body to the left. Place your right palm over the left shoulder and left hand on the right waistline area. Look at the opposite heel. Hold this position for few seconds as per your capacity. Then gently, slowly inhale, come to the middle position. Exhale, twist your body to the right. Left hand at the right shoulder, right hand at the left waistline area. Look at the opposite heel. Inhale, come to the middle. Same thing, back view. Stretch your arms. Inhale, exhale, twist your body. Look at the opposite heel. With inhalation, come to the middle. Then gently, slowly exhale, twist your body to the other side. Look at the opposite heel. Hold the position. Inhale, middle. Then the next practice is Dvikonasana. For that the leg position should be same. Interlock your finger at the back. This is the waist position. Inhale and move back gently. Hold the position. Exhale, move forward and touch your nose to the left knee. hold this position as per your capacity. Stay in this position. Then with inhalation, slowly deeply inhale and come to upright position, then back. Hold the position. Exhale, move to the right, forward movement, and touch the nose with the right knee. Hold this position. Inhale, up, slowly move back. Hold the position. Exhale, come to up, then twist your body to the left. Touch your left knee with the nose. Hold this position. Again, inhale, up, gently move back. Exhale, right. Hold the position. Exhale, relax. So you have to practice 10 rounds every day. Then we will practice Trikonasana. For that, the leg position should be the same. Stretch your arms at the shoulder level. Here you inhale. With exhale, gently twist your body to the left. Touch the left palm with the left heel. Right hand parallel to the floor. Look straight. Hold the position as per your capacity for few seconds. Then inhale, come to the middle. Gently, slowly inhale and come to the middle. Then exhale, twist your body to the right. Touch your right palm to the right heel. Left arm parallel to the floor. Hold this position. Then gently, slowly inhale, come to the middle. Same thing from front view. Stretch your arms. Inhale, left with exhalation, and hold the final position. Inhale, up. Then with exhalation, twist your body to the right. So this is all about the stretching asanas. Hope this will helpful to stretch your body, warm up your body, and keep you healthy also. In my next video, I'll come with some few more asanas that will helpful to reduce the fat muscles. And till then, I wish all should stay happily, keep smiling, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.